Okay, guys, so come on a journey with me because I saw something like this made with chicken and I had an idea, why can't I make like my take on crab cakes with tuna? So trust the process and let's make tuna cakes together. We're going to grab a big bowl and we're going to put a 5-ounce can of Albacore tuna in water. Then we're going to take 1 whole egg, 3/4 cups of Parmesan cheese or Parmigiano Reggiano, which is what I'm using here, and Tajín to taste because I think it gives it a good taste. And then we're gonna fry it. I used olive oil. You can use beef tallow or coconut oil or avocado oil. Once they get this golden color, we're gonna take them out, put a little truffle sauce on there, and now we do the taste test. So crunchy and delicious. Oh my god.